Hey, I'm Destiny, lover of food and science. Today, we're gonna be testing out some of the internet's most popular experiments. All right, let's get cracking. So when I think about an egg, I think delicate, fragile, real Humpty Dumpty style. But what we don't think about is indestructible. Allegedly, if you hold an egg with your full hand wrapped around it, it won't crack. I don't trust it. For this experiment, all you'll need is one egg and a plastic bag, simply because I'm not trying to get it all over this outfit. Let's go. Destiny, did you know that if you squeeze this entire egg with your hand, you cannot crack it? No.
Really?
No, I don't. That literally doesn't make sense.
Try it.
Shut up. Shut up.
No way.
Swear, it's a regular egg.
This is a rock.
I said I could do it. I've been working out.
Oh my God.
That's weird. No. Come on. Why is it breaking?
My mind is like literally blown.
According to our research, the egg's unique shape is similar to that of an arch. When squeezed by your entire hand, the pressure is evenly distributed across the curving lines, leaving it intact. This is why chickens can sit on top of eggs without breaking them, but little chicks can break out of the shells with their beaks. For this next experiment, I'm gonna try and get this hard-boiled egg into this beaker without touching it. Like magic. I'll need one pair of safety goggles, a hard-boiled egg, a glass beaker or bottle, a piece of paper, a lighter, and a pair of safety gloves, since this is gonna be extreme. I'm gonna bring some friends in to help me test it out and for moral support. All right, Betsy, you ready?
I'm so ready.
today-
You look very AP Bio right now. Very AP Bio. I trust
sell
you.
it.
I trust you.
I'm selling it
What
for
are
you.
what are we getting into right
All
now?
right, so we're gonna get this egg.
Is that a hard-boiled egg?
Yes, it is very observant. And we're gonna get it into this beaker without touching it.
What?
Yeah, girl.
Oh my God.
Do you have faith in me?
Sure. Yeah.
Will that happen?
We'll see. That's what we're here
All right.
for. Safety first.
All right.
We're gonna set this bad boy on fire.
Oh!
Get it? Yeah. Boom, egg. Ooh!
Oh!
Oh my God!
Baby!
That was amazing!
Now, the real.
Do it again.
The real. Look,
Oh, now it can't come out?
it's not coming out. She's in there.
It's more like magic, not science.
Wow. Look at all that. According to our research, the flame raises the temperature inside the bottle. This causes the air to expand, which increases the air pressure. When the fire goes out, the air begins to cool, lowering the air pressure inside the bottle. Since the air pressure inside is lower than the air pressure outside, the egg is pushed into the bottle by the outside pressure. White vinegar. We use it for marinades, dressing, pickling vegetables. But can we use it to turn a raw egg into a bouncy egg? For this experiment, all you'll need is some white vinegar, a glass cup, and an egg. You'll put your egg in your cup and give it a nice old bath. Fill her all the way up, and then we'll leave it for the next 48 hours. Enjoy your spa. Get a new coat of skin, girl. You're gonna be fabulous. All right, well, it's been 48 hours, and we're gonna see how this egg turned out. We're going to put this in a bowl of water to try and clean this off. It's got all these bubbles. That's gross. You can still feel the yolk inside though. Look, it just feels like almost like an exfoliant. Look at that, to wipe her off. There is our cleaned bouncy egg. I'm gonna have to bring some of my friends in so we can test this out.
Can I touch it?
Go for it.
It's squishy!
This is oddly satisfying.
It smells like vinegar. It smells kind of like pickles.
Because it's like stress ball-ish, but I'm afraid.
Wanna bounce it?
What? I don't want it to splatter.
Like I can drop it on this and it'll.
Let's go from here.
Oh, okay.
This is like a fun little a toy.
We caught her.
Where's the threshold of bounce to destroy ratio?
Let's go for it.
Okay.
So let's start small.
So here's like a baby amount, just off the ground.
Okay.
Still good.
Okay.
Let's come up to about a little bit higher, like
Yeah.
a little bit like a pencil. You're gonna, it's not gonna break.
I'm gonna do it again.
And the thing is, I thought I saw it starting to leak, and I was like, maybe I should tell him not
so look.
Yeah.
This is weird. It looks very weird. So this is what the shell is.
That is the shell. I think that's membrane. According to our research, the eggshell is made up of calcium carbonate and the vinegar contains acetic acid. When the two are mixed together, they cause a chemical reaction that dissolves the shell and produces carbon dioxide. However, the egg's membrane is quite strong and remains intact after the shell has dissolved, which is why you can bounce it. If you bounce it from too high up, its membrane will split open like a water balloon. I've had an excellent time with y'all today. Let us know what other food science things you want us to try out. Egg science. Everybody likes egg science.